Charlie Cuna together with Ali Peak. And well, all tied up to begin this fourth quarter. 12 minutes to decide the winner of this classic matchup so far. Casio. Hindi pa nakakapag-init ito si JV Casio, shooting-wise. And he was caught defending Almazan at the post.
That was a huge mismatch there, and it was actually a pretty good foul by JV Casio.
Still kinyahan ng Almazan as the big man dahil nga 4 fouls each ang Ponferrada at Belga. They're in there together with Ahan Nisi, Chan, and Chris Chu. Almazan gets the 2. They take the lead.
You know what? Their interior passing, their own version of interior passing, they have the weapons to do it.
Weird how things swing around in this
Flip
game.
around, yeah.
Exactly what Alaska did for a stretch from the second to early third. Itong Rainer Shine naman ang gumagawa. Drive mula kay Chris Banchero. Tabla, 83 all.
Nice teardrop shot by Chris Banchero. And then a turnover here.
Well, the big man handling the ball in the backcourt. But they get it back. Instead of trading baskets, we're trading turnovers. But there is an easy shot for Raymond Almazan. He's got 4 here in the fourth.
Causing turnovers. Rainer Shine doing an excellent job of that. Was that on an and one?
Waved off by the referees. He'll get side court inbound.
Just to remind all the viewers, Rainer Shine is #1 in the league in fast break points. And you're starting to see that in this third quarter. In this fourth quarter, excuse me.
Dondon 3 minutes. Rebound, Almazan na naman. Asserting his height as Chris Chu steps into a 3. Too strong.
It's just too fast, you know? If you're going to do that, attack the basket. It's been working for him.
We're talking about it between quarters, Ali. 32 points in the first and second quarters for Alaska, but they only managed 17 in that third quarter, which is why the game was all tied up. And TDLC, baseline jumper, that's patented. The guy's been doing it for a long time.
He's doing it his whole career, and you know, he's become more of an intangible guy. Earlier, he was playing pretty good defense. Now he's knocking down a 3-point shot.
A bit of a rush to alley-oop that he missed, but he gets it back. Chan naman. Dinala all the way sa kabila ng lane para sa layup.
When they attack like that, again, they put the pressure on the defense of Alaska.
Banchero naman, susubok. That's an N1 situation. Misi does not believe it. He stopped playing defense when he heard the whistle.
You cannot do that because you do not want to allow the and one.
Dondon can't get going. Kaya naman pinasok si Cyrus Baguio. Alex Compton can't leave anything to chance. Can't wait.
We're also wondering what's going on with Calvin Agueva, if he's going to return in this basketball game.
But he's there by the bench. Mintis ang bonus free throw ni Banchero. Kaya tabla pa rin. 87 all. 6 deadlock ng ating laro. Kinyahan. Out to Chu. Missed a while ago. This time, he knocked that down. And it's not in a smart bro. With smart bro, you can share the smart life. First 3 points.
Good ball movement, you know, and then nice pass by J.R. Kinyahan, finding a wide open Chris Chu.
Moving screen, Sonny toss.
This is crazy. It's like the tables have turned here.
Exactly.
You know, at first, Rainer Shine's being called for all the offensive fouls. Now Alaska's being called for an offensive foul.
And then Rainer Shine's hitting those 3-pointers. Alaska was hitting 3-pointers in a row. It's just in that first
flipped
half.
around.
What happens in basketball, momentum shift. Kinyahan, turnaround jumper. Wala yan, good inside position para kay Sanitos. Banchero nagmamadali. Nakita si Casio. Casio will drop it to TDLC. Pulls it out. Reach in mula kay Kinyahan. That was a pretty easy ball para sa mga referees once you do that.
Bo Belga's coming into the game for Jay Alcantara.
It's a long rest he had after getting his 4th foul.
I mean, in that type of play right there, that's a gamble. And you're reaching in, you're also putting yourself at risk for the referee calling a foul on you. In that case, he should have just held his ground like he's been doing.
It's actually si Almazan ang nilabas. So Kinyahan at Belga magkasabay ngayon. Casio. Tres yan. Hatid din sa atin ang Smart Bro. With Smart Bro, you can share the smart life. Tip for that. Belga. Nakita si Kinyahan. Siya naman susubok ng tres. Talbog palabas, but Ahanmisi gets the offensive rebound. Chris one more time. That's short. Rebound taken by Kinyahan, but he pushed off.
A little sneak push there.
Last of the possession. Subukan ipasa ni kay Manuel inside, pero may pito. At Misi. So, mga Alaska fans, nabuhayan sapagkat pwede na. Ipapasok na ulit si Calvin Abueva. Looks like he just shook it off.
He got some serious rest too. At least 2 quarters.
So it's winning time. Even with 7 and 24 still remaining, tight ball game. In a game that's very important, but Abueva missing underneath. Masyado malalim. Bit out of control. Made it all the way to the hoop, pero mintis ang kanyang layup. Casio in that matchup. Before, as Ahanmisi called for the foul contra kay Calvin Abueva. And Ahanmisi really just looking perplexed and asking what went on there. His coach echoes his sentiments. Looking for a replay.
It's an art form, you know, to bait, especially a young rookie. And we'll see what happens here. You know, a little bit of an acting job by, well, a big acting job by Calvin Abueva.
I was going to say.
Not a little bit, the big one.
Exactly. I was going to ask you if that was a little acting job. Smart Bro free throws brought to us by Smart Bro. With Smart Bro, you can share the smart life. There's going to be another call here as Abueva splits his free throws. 91-90 lamang ang kanyang koponan. 7:01 ang natitira. Technical foul tinawag kontra kay Coach Yeng. So continuous complaining. Referee Art Herrera had been hearing it since the first half and had enough. Casio good on the technical free throw, kaya dalawa na lamang ng Alaska. As Jewel Ponferrada is back in the game as well. Very fresh tandem in the front court para sa rain or shine. And Jericho Cruz did sit out a long time as well. Fresh legs. Manuel almost stole it away, pero Belga na control. Passing to the other side of the lane. Ahanmisi mishandles.
That was a nice pass too.
Hihingi ni Manuel. Turnaround jumper. The defense was in his face,
and arguably a foul, but good concentration by Big Manuel.
Belga. Kaliwa.
Good move by Bo Belga attacking the basket.
Abueva naman. Dire-diretso. Offensive foul ang tinawag. And Chris Chu has been getting knocked down several times since he came back in late third quarter. Don't be fooled by
Oh, exactly. I was about to say.
Look, this guy knows how to bang.
He knows how to bang, and he's one of the most. Okay, I'm gonna let it. I don't know if this is a secret or not, but I mean, he's one of the more sneakier, crafty guards in the league. He's very, very smart, savvy that way. truth be told.
Now he's back on the bench. Gabe Norwood, pinasok na ni Coach Yeng. And another tight pass. You know, they're trying those tight passes. Alaska has those hands that can tap the ball. 13 to shoot para sa Elasto Painters. Cruz. Takes a go. They have to go the other way. Maverick gonna do, leave it for Gabe. Nothing on the jumper. Casio up ahead to Abueva. Abueva leaves for Baguio. Baguio misses the layup, but who gets it back? Calvin Abueva. And stare down, he and Ponferrada. Ponferrada not one to back off either.
It's just a second chance opportunities, and this was off of a fast break.
He's just quicker to the ball than anyone else.
But the thing is, he's the only one back aside from, who's the guard there? Cyrus Baguio. And you had 3 blue jerseys around him. Still could not get the rebound.
Abueva unable to knock down the free throw. Smart Bro free throws brought to us by Smart Bro. With Smart Bro, you can share the smart life. Bounces the second one in. So tapped 2 times at the stripe. He split them both. 3-point lead, Alaska. 5.5. Almost stole it. Yes, stole it away. Casio. And Baguio stopped.
We're about to hit the 25 turnover mark.
Basket is in. Yes, sir.
And then Bo Belga with the and one.
Right.